Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set default audio recorder into add-on in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, scroll down and okay, go to global sound section. Here in global sound section, you can see here the default audio recorder. And the default audio recorder is set into auto select. So to change into add-on, you'll have to do is tap this. And now here you can see the add-on. So you can tap this to set as a default audio recorder. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the default audio recorder into add-on in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.